All right, boom. Now they got the AIO installed. We're just gonna install this graphics card. And we install the graphics card into the slot. This is pretty difficult because of how this case is, but it was just me. I didn't know how to install it into this case. But I eventually learned how to do it, and it was pretty easy. You're just playing around with it a little bit. The thing with this case, this whole section, the PCIe section, just comes off so you can install the GPU better. That's for future references, because I was just sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to figure out how to get this in here. But like I said, I was eventually able to figure it out, and